time or another, most people at least consider investing in stocks, and with good reason. Historically, they've made more money than most other investments, at least over time. Investing in stocks isn't rocket science, but there are things that beginning investors should know and often don't. Example, trying to pick individual stocks. Unless you've got enough money to buy at least 20, it's too risky. Diversify by buying a basket of stocks known as a mutual fund or exchange traded fund. 600. Next, beginning investors think they should pay an expert to manage their mutual fund investments. What they don't know is very few professionally managed mutual funds beat the market, so it can be a waste of money to pay one. That leads us to something else beginning investors don't think about often enough: cost. Whether it's buying stocks, owning a mutual fund, or in your company 401k, cost matters. Find out what the costs are and keep them to a minimum. The most common thing beginners don't get: while investing in stocks is risky, not investing is risky too. Keeping everything in the bank means getting crushed by inflation over time. And the final thing investors need to know: don't let happy markets tempt you into putting too much in stocks. Don't ever invest money you're going to need within 5 years and expect declines, because they're going to happen. And one last thing beginning investors really need to know: knowledge is power. The more knowledge you have, the better off you're going to be. Want to learn more about investing basics? Go to moneytalksnews.com and just do a search for investing. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacy Johnson. Want to learn to invest the right way? Get the free Money Talks newsletter. It only takes 7 seconds to sign up, and it's full of deals and news you'll really use. Do it now at moneytalksnews.com.